Alright guys, I told you in the last video I broke my pressure plate. What happened is I broke this tower off right here. Let me see if I can find the tool I used that broke it. Yeah, here it is. What I did was I made a tool. I bolted this to here, figuring this would hold this while you take off the spanner nut. So these are very fragile. That was actually a bad idea. What it did is it bent it and it snapped it. Now I'll show you how I fixed it. I went to Home Depot. I bought a bag for $2.80. These are M6 100x50 metric screws. Here is one right here. What I did is, you can see it's longer than the tower. My idea was, if I could screw this, these are exact. They're exact threads. See? Basically, what I did is I screwed this down in here like this. Then I cut the head off. Then I was able to grip the other side that came out here with a pair of pliers, and since I cut the head off, I screwed it down here. Then with my MIG welder, I welded around the protruding screw, and then I ground off the excess. So basically what this is it's a screw with a flush head that holds it in. And since it's welded, it's nice and tight. And it works. I already put the springs on. It's lined up. That's what you do. That's how you fix a broken tower on your pressure plate. You get one of these screws. These are M6 100x50. Put her in like that, hacksaw the head off, then with a pair of pliers you pull it through. You pull it about halfway through, so then the threads are like from here down. Pull it about halfway through, and then you weld it with your MIG welder, because the metal is going to stick to this metal here, because this is aluminum, and you grind it off flush. I have another one of these. I bought another one on eBay anyway, but I have this as a backup. And it's a pretty ingenious way. And then I sanded this real nice, and it's nice and flush. So I have yet not put this in a motorcycle, but I did load this. I did put all the springs on this, and I did put this end plate on, and I did torque it down, and it holds with no problem. But I haven't installed this in a motorcycle yet, which that's what I'm going to do this week before the other one comes in. I just want to make sure, just for the sake of knowing if it works, and I'll let you guys know if it works, just for a peace of mind. Because I actually ordered a whole clutch basket that has this part here. It's the only one on eBay, and I got it for 70 bucks. The springs has one of these, clutch basket, clutch discs, and the whole deal. But just for a peace of mind, I got to see if it works. So that's how you fix a broken tower on a pressure plate.